To learn a language, first you learn the basics, maybe the first few hundred words, often using your prefrontal cortex. Then you make the jump to immersion, which simply means lots of listening and speaking and reading, to rewire your brain's language network until you're fluent. That's it. That's the scientific consensus right now. School and most apps do the basic stage, but leave out the immersion stage. That's why most people can't really speak the languages they learned at school. Some apps do support the immersion stage by providing plenty of listening and reading material. But is that really the best we can do? What if we could skip the basic stage, so you start with immersion? What if we could supercharge that immersion, doing something new that was faster and more effective than just listening and reading? Arti is an experiment in what supercharging immersion might look like. We call it artificial immersion. We've discovered that combining listening with a simple touchscreen gesture system may be much faster at developing your brain's language network than listening alone, and it's also fun. The gestures train you to think in your target language, in a new kind of audiovisual environment that solves many of the problems of existing language learning apps. But we need to know if it appeals to language learners like you. We have created a game for early-stage learners of Mandarin Chinese that provides full training in artificial immersion. We want you to try it out. It should take you 2 to 3 hours to complete until you can immerse yourself in Chinese in a completely new way, a way that might change how we learn languages. Want to find out more about the cognitive science behind this? Click here. But what we really want is for you to download the app from the App Store links and discover a new way of learning. We can't wait to find out what you think.